Tennessee chick, Illwise, whatever, Triple N, Nikki, Nicole, whatever the heck you want to call me. I'm here to rap you a song I wrote. It's called Agony of Me. It's just the first part of several parts that I'm working on. Do me a favor, don't copyright. If you copyright, I will be very upset and you will get sued. Because this is my work and this is my dream. Alright. Please enjoy. Thank you. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is my agony for all to see. Yo, this is me. This is how it all began. This is my life. Straight to the very end. Part 1. Came out just a kind little baby, grew up just the same, no respect, no love, a different home every day. Beaten and bullied, treated like shit, broken home till I was 3, broken family that split. Nothing good ever came and nothing ever will, so what's the point, what's the fun, no love still. How do we survive, take away the pain? How do we stay alive when hate is the name of the game? Forced into a life of total destruction, with nothing but corruption and forceful seduction. Misery and pain that puts me to shame. This is the bullshit that's a part of my flame. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. My flames burn brighter than your sick twisted love lust. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. This is my agony for all to see. How could you do this? Why did you even try? When you weren't even there, how you never even dared to be in our lives. You didn't give a damn about your babies at home. All you cared about was the sex, guys, booze, and getting stoned. Never wanted more than this. Well, not till you came and went. You're the one I'm sure to miss. Mama loving you made my life bliss. But that was before you treated your little girls like shit. Couldn't speak without saying your name. Gave me the thought that love was a game. A way to get a part of the fame. Now I know the truth, my heart's full of shame. Can't stop these shitty ass dreams. Tortured by these deadly screams. They ain't never gonna slow. That fucking whistle's gonna keep on the hot ass flow. I'm so cold inside that it might snow. But I gotta get on with the show. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. This is my agony for all to see. How can this get any worse? Oh wait, I think I just might burst. Wow, look at me and tell you who you think I be? Can't you see? I'm a queen, giving you the what for? 'Cause your life is such a bore. Yeah, I gotta sleep. Can't you hear me snore? Yeah, that's right, 'cause your life is nothing, you little whore. You got that, it ain't got nothing to be, shit got nothing to see, 'cause this is the agony of me. Peace. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. Saying this is the agony hurt me. This is my agony for all to see. There you go. Peace.